Hey crocheters, who is ready to make a holiday blanket using overlay mosaic crochet? Let's make this gingerbread blanket together. I've got a brand new free crochet along on my website. That's right, I have designed another overlay mosaic crochet blanket just in time for holiday crocheting, and we're going to be making it together. Crochet is all around the world. This crochet along starts on September 16th, and if you need to start after that, this pattern is always going to be available. There's a free version that's available on my website all the time, or you can always buy the ebook. This year is going to be something interesting with my mosaic crochet pattern because this one is reversible. You know that blankets like my Nordic Star blanket is not reversible. On the back side, you have stripes, which is equally as beautiful, but this time, I've introduced a new stitch called the negative stitch to make it a reversible pattern so that whatever we see, like these brown gingerbread on the front, on the back, they're white gingerbread with a brown background. That is using the negative stitch. And don't worry, I teach you a bit how to do that. The ebook definitely has more instructions on how to do the negative stitch. It gives you lots of step-by-step instructions, but I do have resources for the free version as well. This crochet along starts on September 16th, and the sections will be released out over time until in the end, we have this blanket pattern. Now, if you buy the ebook, then you get all the instructions right away, and you don't have to wait for each section to be released. You just have it all nice in one PDF that you can work up at your own speed. Okay, let's talk about the yarn. The yarn that I used was Mighty Stitch worsted weight yarn. This is from We Crochet. I'm just losing all the yarn. This is from We Crochet and Knit Picks. I used this yarn when I was first starting out designing, and I thought, you know what, for this crochet, I want to go back to those roots. It is a soft, kind of like a Karen Simply Soft, but it is 80% acrylic and 20% superwash wool, and it makes it really soft, really shiny. It's a number 4 weight yarn. You can machine wash this cold and tumble dry it low. I used 3 colors. This white is called Cream. Then color B here is this Palomino, kind of a gingerbready color. And then the red is called Love Letter. You can get the yarn for this blanket in a kit sold by We Crochet. Click the link below for more information on that. Okay, go ahead and order this yarn. Of course, if you don't want to use this yarn, you can use whatever yarn you want. You can use whatever colors you want. This is like a light worsted yarn. It's almost DK, but if you want to use DK, if you want to use different sized yarn, go for it. Just know that your blanket might be different dimensions. It might be different tension than this, and that's just fine. It's just crochet. No matter what, it'll just turn out beautiful, so don't worry about that. I think this blanket would also be good using up any scrap yarns that you have. So you can make this a very budget-friendly blanket by using what you have on hand. You can buy the kit or go out and buy whatever colors that you want. The hook that you need is a size G 4mm hook. This is my hook from Furls Crochet. It's the streamlined metal. I do like these metal ones. They have them in this like shiny color. They have it in onyx. They have it in like a pink blushy. So go ahead and get yourself this hook as well. If you've never tried it, I do suggest it. This crochet along is going to have some fun giveaways. If you share your project on social media, if you share it in my Facebook group, if you finish the blanket, if you start the blanket, if you buy the kit, you will be entered in the giveaways. Okay, there's going to be some fun prizes like yarn, hooks, stitch markers, coloring books, my digital products, past crochet alongs. This is going to be fun. I hope that you participate. If you've never done overlay mosaic crochet before and you want to make this blanket, hey, don't worry. All you need to know is single crochet, double crochet. I have tutorials for you. All the charts and written instructions will be available for free on my website. And then there's links to the tutorials on how to do it. The first section will have more of a walkthrough for you. The other sections will just be there available for you, and you just follow the same principles for each section. I have instructions on how to do the basic overlay mosaic crochet. I will have how to turn any chart into a reversible stitch pattern. Inside the ebook, there are more detailed instructions on how to make the pattern reversible. The charts include the reversible stitch in it, and the written instructions do as well as more like picture step-by-step on how to do it. So I think that the ebook is packed full of value. If you buy the ebook before the crochet along begins, there are all sorts of early bird bonuses. So find the link below to sign up for this crochet along. Make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel because I will have different tutorials and other yarn related content, other cow related content, and hit that little bell so you're notified when all that comes out. Also join my Facebook community. It's called the Juniper and Oaks Crochet Community Facebook group. In there, you can ask questions, you can answer other people's questions, post pictures of your progress, your final work. It's a great community, and we just help each other out on there. And make sure you subscribe to my newsletter so that in your inbox you get all the crochet along material sent directly to you. And that way you don't miss a thing. Okay, leave me a comment below. Are you joining this crochet along? Are you gonna be doing the original mosaic crochet pattern without the negative stitch? Or are you gonna try something different, use the negative stitch and make your blanket reversible? Please like this video so that more people can find it, and share this video with your crochet friends. Who needs to make this blanket with you? Share that with them. You can text it to them, you can email it to them, you can post it on your Facebook page, whatever. Let's get this blanket out there so everyone around the world can make this gingerbread crochet along. The free version is on my website that is supported by ads, meaning that if you try to print it out, there's going to be ads there. As you're scrolling, ads are going to pop up. Those ads help me be able to provide it for free around the world. Thank you for understanding that. If you don't want those ads, you can definitely purchase the pattern, and it is easy. It's all in a PDF for you. You don't have to wait week by week. It's just available for you right away. Thank you guys so much for your support over the years for these crochet alongs. This is my 4th winter crochet along. It's going to be phenomenal. Help it make it be my best one yet. I feel like every year we've gotten better and better. The first one was a corner to corner. The second one was a mosaic crochet blanket, and it was a collaborative cow. My third one was the Nordic Star last year, and that one just blew me away. This year is this gingerbread cow. And I love it. I love how this blanket is kind of like a choose your own adventure in a way. You can choose to do the basic overlay mosaic technique. You can do the negative stitch. You can buy a kit, or you can purchase the yarn elsewhere, or you can use your stash. You can do the free version, or you can buy the ebook. You can crochet it along week by week. You can do it all at once. You can do it later. You can do it now. Whatever works for you is okay. You don't have to stress out about it, but I really hope that you make this blanket and share pictures of it. Make sure that you tag me at Juniper and Oaks on all of the platforms so that I can see your work. I cannot wait to crochet along with you. Sign up at juniperandoaks.com. Happy crocheting!